Okay, I've had a really long day baking cookies and gathering money. I'm going to put them in a safe spot and I'm going to take a nap. Here I go to sleep. Robbers, watch out. Hey, 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 there's a robbery here.